decorations. Yeah, good one.
Hello.
So hello. Make sure everyone is watching this video.
Whose video is this?
Like as well as medical pedicure school video.
Oh, it is Lala's manicure pedicure school video. Wow.
Is that a good one?
It is a good one. What do you think?
Yeah, it looks very nice. It's a very nice name.
It's a very nice name.
So now where are you Christmas?
Wait, we have here our shells. Oh, this is summer. Shells and starfish. That is a summer nail. Oh, this is Valentine's Day because it's all hearts. Okay? Hearts and diamonds. Okay, this is Valentine's Day. Oh, don't open.
Okay.
And here, oh, the same. It's summer collection. Oh, where's the Christmas collection? We have to look for Lala's Christmas collection.
Okay.
Now, if we cannot find it, then we have to make. We have to make it.
Okay.
Okay. So, let me find out what do we have here. Oh, this is our
Should we use
file.
Should we use this?
Yeah, that is a file. You call it 180 grit file.
Okay.
Okay, that is for natural nail.
Okay, so can we use this?
Yeah, we can use it.
Okay. So now you look for anything in the house.
So like what?
Well, like shiny things.
Shiny things. Okay. What are the shiny things you can see inside the house?
I think. Oh my God. I forgot the no shiny things.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Look,
what should
come
we do?
here. So, what we're gonna do is invite everybody to watch Lala's video
Well,
channel. YouTube channel.
YouTube channel.
Yes.
Maybe
So,
so-
how do you say it? How do you invite them? Don't forget to, what is it?
Leave a like and smash the like button.
Oh, you have to smash the like button, girls. And what else? After they smash the like button, what else?
Subscribe and like.
Subscribe and like.
And don't
Okay.
forget to share all the videos to your friends.
Oh, and don't forget to share all the videos to your friend. Huh?
Is it already the end of the movie?
I think it is.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's not? Okay. So can we have Buknoy with us? Can we invite Buknoy? Buknoy.
Maybe Buknoy too, and also maybe if we invite wait, what's invite?
Let's invite who?
Let's invite Chase.
Chase? Oh my
he's our
God, where is
imaginary
Chase?
friend.
Your imaginary friend. Oh, that is scary. Okay, now
So-
we have Buknoy.
So
We
I'm
have Buknoy
I'm
here.
pretending to be Chase and Gus.
Oh, you are pretending. Okay. So this is Buknoy. Hello, guys. Buknoy is here. This is what Lala does when she comes home after work. Play with Buknoy and Skyler.
So let's find the Christmas decorations in some of your drawers.
In some of my drawers. Okay. Buknoy is pulling everything. Say hello. Hi. My name is Gio. Hello. Watch my Lala's channel. look at your hand, Gio. Hello. Say hello.
I can't find her in this drawer.
Oh, you cannot find? Okay, it's okay. We will make.
Maybe
Oh,
on the
he's kicking everything.
Maybe on the other
Okay. Bye. Say bye.